Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Welcome in. Hello to Kwime. Welcome in. I think you're new here. If you are, please say hi. Okay. Happy Friday. How's everyone doing? I am. It is Friday. I have no idea what's going on in life anymore. We actually have a pretty full cabin today. We have some friends that have come to visit. Do you want to? Ooh. So, oh no. We should wait a bit because people are still coming in. So there isn't that many people here yet. But we have a few friends that have come to visit after all the proper quarantining and testing procedures. And they have brought another puppy. And both puppies are so cute. I feel like they were playing a lot earlier, but they're like much chiller now. I don't know if they've like gotten tired. But yeah, today we're going to be taking it pretty chill. And a little bit different from usual. So we're not gonna do any data viz or code today. And we're gonna be drawing. So, because today we're going to be working on the Twitch stream. So the things that I have been talking about and promising for about a month. And actually, let's make the to-do list together. Ooh. Oh, wait. I need to do this. Yay. So that is my live indicator. And then let's just go and start on our to-do list. So we're going to do some emotes. So I think we were talking about, so here's some of the emotes that I've drawn so far. I like this one a lot with the celebration, but not sure about the others as much. So then let's draw some. Ooh, hello, welcome back in, Iris and X. It was super fun talking to you yesterday. Yeah, I'm here every week, Wednesday and Friday, 2 p.m. PST, at least during this period of quarantine. That seems to be going on forever. Oh, I just woke up. I've been streaming for 2 days. What have you been streaming? I remember you were streaming games, right? And then Jess was trying to convince you to stream some coding, which would be really, really awesome. But yeah. Iris, if you don't mind me asking, where are you based? Okay, so today's to-dos is emotes. And so I think we talked about a car emote. Ooh, we're in the same time zone. I feel like I've heard that Everett is really pretty. Ooh, Kwime, you ended your first stream 10 minutes ago. What were you streaming? Wait, let's check you out actually. Kwime. Ooh, my friends are trying to be distracting. Do you want to see them? Oh wait, no, I lost. There we go. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, link page for creators. Can you tell us a little bit about yourself, Queen May? Yeah. Ooh, you were designing in Figma. That's awesome. What were you designing? It says link page for creators. Ooh, co-working stream. Follow. Ooh, Switzerland. Ooh, thank you for joining all the way from Europe. Oh man, I've always wanted to go to Switzerland. My husband's parents went there a few years ago, and it's like one of their favorite places. Wait, yes, it was Switzerland. Sorry, mentally I always get Switzerland and Sweden confused. Okay, and I have the notifications on. Streaming design and code. Ooh, what kind of code do you usually stream? And also, I feel like I didn't make a big enough deal about this, but I just realized, I just reread what you said, and I just realized it was your first stream that you just ended. So congratulations, it's really exciting. Ooh, all the gold, welcome in. Welcome in, yes. Yes, yes. We ran into each other in Jess's stream. Yeah, had a really fun time talking. Oh, so I popped into Jess's stream, endocillirose. Oh no, my pronunciation is so bad. Wait, is that maybe that's not how you pronounce it? Endocillorosis. Enceladiosaurus. There we go. Enceladiosaurus. Yes, there we go. So that was a really fun stream, and she and was it Strophium were designing something, and I just remember they were explaining raycasting, and I felt quite lost. But it was a very fun conversation. But yeah, very happy. Thank you so much for jumping in and joining this stream. So to everybody that may or may not be new, please introduce yourself. We would love that. And yes, followed Queen May. And ooh, Maxine, welcome back. Ooh, thank you. So, this sweater is one of my favorite sweaters. It is by Georgia Lupi. Sorry, I just went back to my, so you can see the details. So it was by Georgia Lupi in collaboration with And Other Stories, I think is the label or brand. And this particular one is based on the data for Ada Lovelace's oh no, I'm blanking on the machine, or I'm blanking on the name of the algorithm. It was what she wrote for the Babbage engine. Yeah, so and it's considered the first algorithm written. And it was designed by Ada Lovelace. So I think each row is a row of the machine code. And I can't quite remember all of the different encodings, but it's super cool. I actually don't know if it's still, I feel like it sold out. It was, so there's, the whole line had a lot of different pieces of clothing. It had, and it was based on 3 women. So Ada Lovelace, Mae Jemison and her 1-year orbit around space, and Rachel Carson and the chapters in her book The Silent Spring. So yeah, there we go. So those are the, ooh, this is so nice. It was so cool. I am such a fan. So I think I have one from each woman. So I have this sweater And I have this sweater. Yeah, actually, it launched in fall/winter, so I think I had very much a bias towards the sweaters. And then I have this blouse from Mae Jemison. Although this dress is really beautiful too. Yeah, I wanted more, but I was like, no, control yourself. And it was really cool because the shopping bags actually had the keys, the legends, to decode everything. So actually, maybe we can decode this together. No, the resolution is not good enough. No. Okay, we can't decode this together. But yeah, thanks for noticing that, Maxine. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully I can catch Kume's streams too. I've been curious about Figma, so that'd be really cool. Actually, Kume, if you're still here, I would love to hear about what you were designing in Figma. Yeah. Oh, wait. So for people here, let me know about the stream quality, because the cabin that I'm staying in, the internet is decent, but it hasn't been the most stable. So, sorry, you already answered me, Kwime. My bad. Gonna stream HTML, CSS, and maybe JavaScript. Ooh, do you mind telling us what the project is? Ooh. Oh, the gold. Ooh, you're writing cover letters today. Getting my core put together. Oh man, best of luck to you, because I remember cover letters. They were they were not my favorite part of recruiting. Yeah. Hey William, welcome back in. Happy Friday. Yeah, Maxine. It's like, even if you don't know, you can recognize that style. Ooh, thank you, All the Gold. Oh gosh, no, I can't recall what the algorithm does. I think it's supposed to be, it's supposed to be oh gosh, it's supposed to help with, I want to say like, oh wait, was it differential equations? Because it's the differential, wait, I am not good at this. Let's not have me guess. What was, oh, there we go. Thank you, Wikipedia. An algorithm, for the analytical engine, because I think there was a difference engine in an analytical engine to compute Bernoulli numbers. I don't remember what Bernoulli numbers are anymore, but considered to be the first published algorithm ever specifically tailored for implementation on a computer. And Ada Lovelace is often cited as the first computer programmer for this reason, which is what makes her really, really cool. But yeah. So, what are Bernoulli numbers? I feel like this is something I used to know. Bernoulli numbers are a sequence of rational numbers which occur frequently in number theory. They appear in the Taylor series. Expansion of the tangent and hyperbolic tangent functions. Wow, these are things that I don't remember from college. Fauhaber's formula. And Euler-Maclaurin formula. I am very sorry for mispronouncing everything. William asks, are your friends reading you now then? I think I didn't give them enough of a reaction because they've stopped. Yeah, they're not doing anything anymore. Ooh, yeah. You're welcome, Maxine. The only thing is that I think it was a limited edition. So I actually don't know if it's in stock anymore. I think it was like a very limited run, and I feel like it was one of those, like, once it's out, is what I heard, but maybe they changed maybe they changed their mind. It'd be cool if they changed their mind. Yeah. Yeah, it seems they're all sold out. It'd be really cool if they bring it back someday. All the cold. I uh there was a while, well, I don't think anybody can be a digital nomad right now. Or I mean, I guess you can, but it uh probably not advised to be a digital nomad slash traveling right now. Just um I guess out of respect for the people that live in the places that I would travel to. But definitely before the pandemic, I wasn't a digital nomad because I've always had a home base in San Francisco, or right outside of San Francisco in the Bay Area. But I did travel a lot for conferences. And I did travel and stayed in, I lived in New York for 3 or 4 months in fall of 2019 for an artist residency. And then I lived in Japan or Tokyo for 3 months in 2018, just to live somewhere else. So, but those are the longest I've stayed anywhere. And then everything else has been like traveling for a few weeks here and there for conferences. I think definitely in my 20s, I really, really wanted to try the digital nomad lifestyle. And that's because there was a there was an blog post I read, I think in my early 20s, by I think Paul Granum, about living in different cities while you're young. And because different cities have their own personalities and characters, and so try out different personalities, or sorry, try living in different cities while you're young to figure out which city and which personality fits you best. And I read that right after I graduated college. And so in my 20s, I think I really wanted to live in a few different places. Logistically, it's been hard to do that. But I don't know. It's still a dream of mine, to live in a few different cities in the world. Actually, I thought that was a very interesting cities and ambition. Oh, yeah. Wow, that's an old one. Great cities attract ambitious people. Okay, I have to be honest. I was talking to someone earlier today, and we were talking about how, like, I was like, I feel like I used up a lot of my hustle energy in my 20s, and I feel like I'm not as ambitious anymore. Certainly I feel like there's still a lot of things that I want to do, but I think the main difference is that in my 20s I was like very hungry for it, and I was like, I will work myself really hard and do whatever it takes for the things that I want to achieve. And now I'm like, I don't know if this is complacency. I don't know. But nowadays I'm like, I want to enjoy, the friends I have and their company and the family I have. And I want to take it slow. And certainly there's still things I want to do and accomplish. But I'm not in such a hurry anymore. And sometimes I'm like, I don't know. I feel conflicted. I feel like I still have like remnants of that hustle energy. And then also I'm like, I just want to chill. I don't know. I haven't figured myself out yet. But I'm only talking about this because I didn't realize that the first sentence was great cities attract ambitious people. And the title is Cities and Ambition. Also, can we talk about the fact that this Cities and Ambition, this is extremely 2008, this is very mid 2000s, where it's an image and the image is pixelated. This title is a pixelated image. Also, sorry, I feel like Is the music really loud for anybody else? I'm gonna turn it down a little bit. Yeah, for anyone that's interested, I will link this, and then ooh, I'm glad that stream quality is good. And oh yeah, I'm glad all the gold. Wait, Iris found a new VPN or VPS? You wrote VPS. But VPN host that offers $100 free for first time signing up. Ooh, Bijan, welcome back in. Wait, hold on. Is this your first time here? I feel like it's not. I follow a bunch of D3 Twitter people, and you and Nadi are the ultimate D3 too. Thank you. All the gold. The dreaded Taylor series, Calculus from a decade ago, says hello. Oh my god, it's been more than a decade for me. Holy crap. Yeah, it's been like 13 years. Wow, it's been a while. Ooh, yes, please, Gilliam. I would like the TLDR of why power outages are not a thing for you in France. Yeah, I know, Maxie. I'm so sorry, but I hope they bring it back. Ooh, Quime. That sounds cool. Where a website where creators can link to their side projects. I know that there is Linktree and services as such, but I would love to make it more customizable and free. Is this primarily for like places like Instagram? Is that what it's primarily for? I would love to know the difference between what you have in mind and like a creator with their own portfolio website. Actually, you know, this is actually the only Paul Grenham essay I've read. I don't know why it came across my radar, and I just remember reading it, and it had like a huge impact on the way I thought about where I lived. And also, can we talk about these buttons? They're amazing. They're so Web 2.0. And the website is not secure. Amazing. Wow. Wow. Oh. Ooh, Rockstar74, thank you so much for rating. Hello, welcome in. Ooh, this is an interesting time to raid because I'm not doing what I usually do. So I work on data visualizations. Ooh, great to see you again. Oh, okay. Have a great dinner. Ooh, okay. You were just co-working out. Today, we are gonna just chill and work on some things for my Twitch. So we're gonna draw some more emotes. I actually can't remember how many emotes I'm supposed to draw. So we're gonna draw some emotes. And I'm supposed to work on some channel point rewards. And maybe we'll get to adding in closed captioning. But yeah, welcome in. Thank you so much. But yeah, on the regular, I work on data visualizations and I stream a variety of different projects, mostly personal projects. And in the last few weeks, I've streamed a few of my client projects with Mozilla, but I've just wrapped that up. And I think other than that, yeah, that's mostly what I do. But right now we're just chatting. VPS. Wait, what's VPS? Virtual private server. Oh. Wait, awesome. Okay, I'm sorry for being so ignorant. But would you mind teaching me about like what you would use a virtual private server for? And the question is because usually when I publish a project, I just host it on GitHub pages. And recently I've been thinking of deploying to Netlify. But other than that, like my understanding of servers is like abysmal. So if you don't mind, would you just teach me like where a VPS fits into the whole like web ecosystem that is so confusing now, and what you might use it for? Oh, okay. Stream dropped a few frames. Oh man, it's looking kind of bumpy right now, the stream. Oh, Iris. Yes, hugs to all these amazing, beautiful individuals. Oh, interesting, all the gold about the messages that your home sends. Oh wow, yeah. I can see that my bit rate is like kind of bouncing, like it's kind of dipping quite often. Oh yeah, Iris. Please share the VPS host. Yeah. I don't. Yeah. Thank you for clarifying that. It's not a promotion to you, but that you're just trying to help others. In general, like we love when like we love if you share your projects. We especially love if you like share your passion projects. But yeah, thank you for clarifying that it's not a promotion or anything. Oh, okay, all the gold. Ooh. So Paul Gurnham's How to Make Wealth. I'll keep that in mind. Thank you for the rec. Oh, okay. So VPS is hosting a website and or whatever you wish. It's like a remote desktop. Oh, I see. VPS were very early cloud hosting virtual computers instead of shared hosting of one physical machine with several users and home folders. Interesting. So the VPS that Iris found offered 100 free credits is Vulture. Ooh, Iris, what were you what were you working on that you found this? The infrastructure cloud. Cloud servers. So I feel like for me, I don't like the projects I work on. I feel like I don't need a VPS. Currently I'm still like today we're working on my Twitch, but next Friday I was thinking of starting on my portfolio website refactor. And so I think last Friday we we used a poll and determined that for my portfolio we're going to use Netlify and 11T as the static site generator, and then maybe Vue and Vuex. I think that's the stack that we decided on. Because I think for the portfolio website I have in mind, I think it's pretty straightforward. I'm thinking about like adding a blog post section and like a contact form, and then if I ever get to it, then maybe we'll keep like a I thought it might be fun to have like a Stripe integration for a shop or Patreon like service someday, but that's like way into the future. VPS is basically a virtualized computer that touches the internet. I have used them in the past to have a single Linux install that I connected to via Chromebook terminal to travel light. Oh, cool. Okay. can host stuff, of course. General purpose virtualized machine. That makes a lot of sense. I feel like okay, virtual machines makes a lot of sense, especially for people that work a lot and heavily on the back end. I guess since I work like 100% on the front end, I don't think I've ever personally come across the need for a virtual machine or a VPS, but I would love to be proven wrong. Um, oh, Iris, thank you so much for sharing. And yeah, it says I'm not sponsored. I don't care about money. I care about making friends and helping anyone. That is so nice of you. Came into my email as I used to use DigitalOcean. I enjoy hosting personal websites. I see. Usually when you ask for a VPS, you decide how many resources you want, CPU, memory, etc. Sometimes with precise sliders or sometimes among predefined templates. Interesting. Ooh, so at the beginning of the stream, I was mentioning how we had a few friends joining us for the weekend. And in addition is... Oh, interesting. If you want to host a Jupyter notebook on your own server, you might use a VPS. Yeah, they tend to be more for backend stuff than static delivery. That makes a lot of sense. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like for the things for the backend support that I'm looking for, I think Netlify does most, if not all, of the work really well. But yeah. Oh, okay. Let's get back to the to-dos. We have another super cute puppy that joined today. Super cute. I don't see him running around anymore. I don't know if he's like just chilling or if he's tired and fallen asleep. So cute. But yeah. Nope, I don't see him. I wish he was around. Yeah. The thought process was that we have a really cute new pup. Ooh, actually, where's my... Oh, I think my phone is somewhere else. Here, I'll show you the really cute pup in a photo. Here's the cute pup. Look at him! Oh my god. So cute. Should we just have this photo up the whole time? The entire time? Look at these two. Oh my god. Yeah, there we go. What do you think about Cognotes or Power BI for data viz? I use them both on my job, and I think they're giving me brain cancer. I've actually never used either, so I don't know. So there may be, maybe there's somebody in the chat that can give better answers than I can, because I've never used them. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this photo up because this photo, and we're going to finish putting together the rest of the to-dos. So wait, okay, remind me, chat, about the emotes that we've talked about, because I think these are the 4 that I've drawn. Okay, it cannot, okay, this cannot, yeah, there we go. Okay, let's not have Scout be blocked. Oh yeah, thank you so much, Ola Gold. The book cover, our book cover is by the amazingly talented Alice Lee. She's also one of my good friends and studio mates, and she just has such a great, like, luscious, colorful, beautiful, whimsical style. And so we were really, really lucky that she was down to design our cover. Yeah, I love it so much. Ooh, Gussie, welcome back in. That's such an interesting point, Gussie. Says, yeah, when work invests to maintain and standardize these platforms, meaning Cognos or Power BI, the problem with using an alternative is that, say you create a super cool data viz tool using Python or JavaScript, then you leave, your job is screwed. But Power BI is maintained and supported. There's likely a team supporting it and have standardized the process. That's at least my take here. I use Python's Dash Plotly to do my creations, though I'm aware my job is screwed if I leave and it's unsupported. Yeah, that's a very, very good point. I think it's that I feel like it's a very difficult situation because sometimes when you're trying to analyze your data, sometimes it does call for a more custom solution. And then the question is, is there someone to help take over when you're gone? So I remember when I was at my past job, I actually haven't followed up on this, and I think it'd be interesting to follow up on it. So I used to, my last full-time job, I helped build their data visualization product from scratch. But they had heavily invested in that part of the product, and so I think we had at one point, I think by the time I left, there were 5 or 6 of us, or I think at least 3 of us that were working pretty full-time on that, and then maybe 5 or 6 of us that were like working on maintaining it. So I felt pretty good when I was leaving that there was enough people that understood the code base to be able to like keep moving it forward. I'm not quite sure if that's still the case now. I think it'd be really interesting to follow up on that. But it's also an interesting because for the longest time I didn't take any client projects that were to help build out a part of their product. And the thought process behind that was that like I didn't want to I felt like it didn't make sense for both the client and for me, because I felt like it wouldn't make sense for the client to invest 2 or 3 months into onboarding me into their code base, and then for me to make something and then bounce after 3 months, and then they have to maintain it. But actually I've worked with a few different companies where it actually I think works, and I think the sweet spot for me personally, working on client projects, this is just like a self-reflection I've been doing of the kind of client projects I want to take on. And for the longest time I thought that I will only want to take on kind of like one-off like journalism or marketing projects. But actually I think there's some really interesting projects that I can help do in like kind of the tech space, where if a company is trying to start up a new data viz product and they don't have the team, or they can't quite assemble the team for it yet, then I think that's a very interesting spot for me to come in and help them like kind of architect and build out the initial prototype with their engineering team. And then once I leave, hopefully I've also, as part of the contract, trained the engineering team enough that they can keep working on it, improve it, or maintain it as needed. So I haven't fully, I think I've done this a few times unintentionally. It just so happened to work out that way. And I thought it was really interesting. Like, I didn't realize at the time that that's what I was doing, but now that I'm thinking about it, I realize that, like, that actually is a that actually could work as a potential client project. Oh, Bijan, I think you're both definitely more mature and correct than me, because I refuse to touch Power BI. I shouldn't say that, but I think I think picking and choosing a good set of tools is really important. And I'm still definitely all the time looking for good tools for my tool set. But there are certain tools that I'm like, I'm not touching that. And which is kind of immature, because I haven't even, used it myself to develop an opinion, but I feel like it's like their general reputation in the community. I'm just like, I am not touching that tool. And I shouldn't say this, but yeah. Power BI and Denodo is giving me an aneurysm, I swear to God. But agree though, the support on their side has been really good. So all the gold, I am a we also had a very interesting discussion on this last Friday, which is I think depending on where you are in the world or where you are in America, I think contractor has different connotations. I think contractor and freelancer, I think in America, or at least certain parts of America, has negative connotations. And I think in, like, for example, in Europe, I think it's perfectly fine. But yeah, so I am a freelancer. I guess where I live, contractor has the connotation that you're working full time for a company, but like you're basically working full time for a company but don't have full time benefits, I think is the connotation. So I guess that's what's a little bit different. For me, I'm just working independently, I guess. I've been told to just say I'm self-employed or independent. Honestly, I don't know. Okay. So far, I've written down laptop car zoom emote, and I think I was gonna do. I feel like I might take down the toast one, because I feel like since I've moved away from my morning stream, I haven't been eating on stream, so I feel like I'm gonna get rid of that one. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the thinking one less confused. And then what other emotes should I add? I don't know. Maybe that's the two. And then we were supposed to have channel rewards. What are fun channel rewards? Actually, maybe I should search Twitch channel rewards. Reward ideas. Oh, I see. Draw X in Paint. Song request. Oh, video request. Ooh. I really like Jason Langsdorf, Learn with Jason. I really like his channel rewards. Where he, ooh, wow. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, hey, that's me. I'm not quite animation, but okay. But his channel points is like you can redeem sound effects and GIFs, which I think is really fun. But I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I'm taking suggestions. Gussie said, "Oh, but surely your remuneration pay is higher as a result. Higher than what? Um, ooh. Oh, okay. So Gilliam is now teaching us about why France doesn't have so many power outages or at all. So first, the sheer size of the ground to cover, along with the mentality of entrepreneurship, means the US pushed for private companies to build their grid. On the other hand, France tends to build most infrastructure through a state monopoly or a few tightly regulated companies. We did that with the phone lines as well and water, although those markets have now been largely open. Also consider that we have neighbors who don't necessarily have the same energy mix as we do. For example, the Germans recently stopped using nuclear plants, unless I'm mistaken, which means we can sell excess to each other, I see, and balance each other out when, for example, winds die down in a region or solar somewhere else, or ocean currents, etc. And lastly, geological constraints that we just don't have to the same extent. Tornadoes, earthquakes, etc. I see. Yeah, because I feel like a lot of times power outages are because of natural disasters. Yes, we are, Gussie. We are talking. This is a carryover from our Wednesday stream when we were talking about the Texas polar vortex. Yep, and the state's failure to support. Yep. Ooh, thank you, all the gold. I'm leaving Scout on the screen as a happy Friday. Ooh, Rishan, you work at an electric utility in the States. Oh, okay. Gilliam says, I don't know that much, have no idea how well or poorly we would fare if we have a big disaster. Oh, Gussie. I'm glad. Yeah, wow. Gussie is in Houston. It was tough. Woke up Monday morning to snow, ice hanging from my balcony, no water or power. How are you doing now, Gussie? Yeah. Living the dream. Okay. Back to 70 on Sunday. Wait, 70 degrees? Like Fahrenheit? Alright. Okay. So let's go start drawing something. So the first thing, I am kind of sad that we don't get to use this laptop emote anymore. So can we repurpose it somehow? Car icon. Cartoon car. Hehe. Ooh, sports car. Let's go for a cartoon sports car. another thing I wanted to eventually do for the stream is I don't know why I did this, but I have such a weird resolution for my desktop. So eventually I want to change it to a better resolution. Okay, so let's go draw. Ooh, look. Here's my... Oh, it's been a while since I've been in Procreate. Let's go and group these. There we go, group. And then let's delete some things. So now my laptop is much faster. So let's go and delete everything else that's not my laptop. Yes, let's delete it. And then, ooh, there's some... Oh no. Gilliam says, especially since a chunk of our energy comes from water being held in big lakes, and floods have been happening recently, so there's the tragedy of lost homes, and at some point we will lose those energy sources too. Oh. Yeah, Gussie. Oh man, says it was a little scary, had no water, and well, getting really thirsty. Yeah, but says also love learning about renewable energy, specifically the renewable energy schemes that governments mandate on suppliers. Yeah, Bijan says there's still some. Looking at outage maps from Texas Utility, saw a ton of active outages still present. Okay, so let me figure out what I'm actually trying to do here. I'm trying to draw a car. Okay, the story behind this emote is that I used to have a much slower laptop, and earlier in the year I upgraded to a faster laptop. So trying to draw an emote to celebrate the faster laptop. Ooh, maybe it's that we put wheels on the laptop and just write zoom zoom. Bad ideas, but it's I'm gonna go for that. Okay, I'm gonna actually no, stop. Okay, and then let's not use you. And then let's draw wow, I really can't remember what I was using anymore. Maybe it was dry ink. Okay. And then actually let's still have you so I can yeah. Ooh. No. Let's eye drop here. Help me out. What should I draw? Okay, let's make sure that you can't see the zoom at that level. Is that the rough sketch? I want it to be like lean forward. What was your first drawing stream, Gilliam? Ooh, Thirsty Pooch, welcome back in. What is going on with you today? Ooh, does anyone have any exciting weekend plans? I'm pretty excited about our weekend plans, which is that there's some of us are going downhill skiing, but I'm gonna go cross-country skiing because that is exactly the right amount of thrill for me, which is not much. And so I'm going tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow and Sunday. So it shall be fun, I think. Okay, let's actually have the laptop be like leaned forward a little bit. If I draw this, would people recognize like what it's supposed to be? All right. Miyoki official. Oh, she had a friend in chat providing descriptions of Pokemon. She drew from it best she could. Actually, that sounds really fun. Without visual reference. I've seen streams like that. That sounds, or not streams, but videos like that. That sounds really fun. Okay. So I feel like the key for like a Twitch emote is to not have too much detail. Or else it gets hard to tell. So I feel like that's why the toast running one wasn't good. So this one had too much detail. So that's why I think I'm gonna retire that one. Actually, I like I think sorry, I'm like stupid giggling. Yeah, I like this. Okay, this is what we're gonna go for. Pictionary. Pictionary? I thought Pictionary was the one where you... Oh, yeah, I think so. Pictionary is where you describe something and then someone else has to draw it. I think we used to play a lot of telephone Pictionary, which is where... That was fun. So you like... Usually it's fun with a bigger group of people, of like maybe 6 to 10 people. And then what you do is like you have this booklet and then everyone starts out writing some sort of a prompt. Like usually we also have a theme, but like the prompt could be like really silly or like really simple. I think one time there was like a prompt that was cartoons and then there's one time when so I'm really bad at recall. So anyway, okay, hold on. I'll tell the story in order. So one time the theme was cartoons. So we like, There was maybe like 6, 7 of us or something, and then everybody wrote down like their own subject. And so there were like, like Pikachu or like Garfield, and like everybody had their own. And so what you do is once you write yours down, you pass it to the next person. And then so like you pass it to the left, and so you receive someone else's. And then once you receive that, you look at like what the previous person wrote down, and then you're supposed to draw it. And once you're finished drawing it, you pass that booklet to the next person, and then that next person tries to guess what you drew, and then they like write down so they write down what they think you drew, and then they pass it down to the next person, and the next person will read what that person wrote, and then draw to the best of their ability like what's written, or like the description. And so that keeps happening until you get your own booklet back. And then so it's hilarious because then like you start with like some topic like Pikachu or whatever, and then first person draws something, and the second person guesses something, and then it goes all the way like around until it gets back to you, and then you like read what you start by reading what I think it's supposed to end back at. Oh, I guess it depends on if you have even or odd number of players. So you like look at the final one and then it's telephone. So you're like, is this anywhere close to like what you started with? And there was one time, one of the booklets, someone's topic was Garfield, and the reason why I was saying that I have really shit recall. Ooh, good morning, Sariki. Welcome in. Sariki, if it's morning for you, where are you based? I feel like that's Asia, right? Yeah, it's really fun. Indonesia, cool. Oh man, thanks for joining every time before work. It's fun with a large group. So I'm gonna try and like pull up. So my husband has really great visual recall. Where is it? And I have really shit recall. Huh. Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh no, I can't find the photo. Oh no. Oh, I can't share it. I'm sorry. I couldn't find the photo. I had like a whole story build up. And I got nothing to share. Never mind. Huh. Wait. No. Shared photos. Oops. I forgot to mute notifications. Let's see. Can I still find it? Oh no, I feel like now it's like one of those like, I must find it. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Okay, I found it. Okay. There we go. Oh, it's called Telestrations. And so it's like this booklet, and you pass it around. And then it says, yeah, so the prompt was Garfield. And then this is my husband's sketch, which is like pretty good. Looks pretty similar to Garfield. Yeah, looks quite similar to Garfield. And this is my sketch. The only thing I got right is that Garfield is a cat. It has some stripes, and it has these like droopy droopy eyelids, and that's the only thing that I got right in this game. That was a very long tangent. Oh yeah. That makes sense. I forgot today is a Friday, so it would be your Saturday. Makes lots of sense. Yeah, you know, that thinking face needs improvement. It needs more contrast. Okay, so let's zoom. Ooh, Iris. I'm glad you posted a schedule. All right, let's see Iris's schedule. Oh my god, that is every day. Holy crap. And then on Wednesday from 12 to 4. Oh wow. Hopefully. I wish we could overlap, Iris, so then I can raid you. Usually I try to finish by about 4:30. 4 or 4:30. So maybe one of these days I can raid you on a Wednesday. Yeah. Thank you for sharing your schedule, Iris. Okay, let's zoom. Yeah, it was the confused face. Okay. So let me make this lower opacity. I can't remember how to do that anymore. How do I lower your opacity? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's try and make a nice laptop. So I feel like what I learned from designing some emotes is, number one, to keep it visually simple, because it's so small that like if I make it too complicated, it's going to be hard to tell at that size. And then the second thing I feel like is lots of contrast. So that's what I'm gonna aim for today. It is not an art stream. It is not an art stream. It's just that today I'm working on my Twitch stream. And one of the things is that we're going to draw the emotes for the stream. Okay.
Oh fuck.
Ooh. Oh no.
What happened?
Wow, that was that bad.
Oh no.
Definitely red and gonads though.
Oh, the two puppies are up.
I missed the option. Did you go to one of the options meetings?
Oh.
Well,
Ooh. Yes, I agree, Iris. Says, I don't do web dev like your average coder. I like bright, colorful websites that show my personality. But on top of that, have always been a Linux user all my life. I installed Windows 10 to try it and was so confused I removed it. Oh yeah, dark mode, you're right. Gilliam. Hi Pranav, welcome back in. Yay for Friday. Ooh, the two puppies are up again. Ooh, here's the two puppies. It's so cute. It's so cute because in this picture she looks bigger than him, but actually she's like a little bit taller. And they like both have like really, their tails both wag quite enthusiastically. And Zoe has like the strongest tail, and so she like whips you. And her tail is like right at his face level. So when she's like whipping her tail around, and when like Scout's right behind her, she's just like whipping him in the face with her tail. Yeah, it is really cute, and Scout doesn't seem to mind it. Ooh, thank you, Pranav. So this is the emote that I've been talking about for a while with the Zoom new laptop. Ooh, want to take a dabby? Welcome back in. What the? Suriki, really? Wait, hold on. That means that the shipment is $50? Holy crap. Which website are you looking on? Holy crap. Where is that from? Because I know that our publisher said free shipping, but I don't know if that's like free shipping for only certain parts of the world. I don't know. Also, Gillian, good looking out. I think I should put a white border around my hair then, my emotes. So, definitely do not do Amazon US. I think that our publisher has pretty good international support. So try a local bookstore or like a local book website. Definitely do not use Amazon US. No. Even in the best of situations, I have very specific feelings about Amazon. Yeah. I feel like Amazon is a necessary evil in terms of book publishing. But I would be very happy if you used an indie bookstore or your local bookstore. Yeah, so Suriki is based in Indonesia. So I think we've been having what? Even the free shipping has overhead? Oh no. Got PB since December with Routledge with other books. Also, French customs are overdoing it. Been charged 12% taxes on Tufty's books this week. Normal is 5.5%. Holy crap. Oh man. Yeah, I think there's been a lot of shipping troubles outside of the Americas, because our what happened was that our book it's a non-standard paper size and non-standard and a non-standard paper material. So then they had to go with a very specific printer vendor, and that printer is in Canada. So I think that's why outside of the US, I think there's been some shipping difficulties. Like it's definitely delayed for Europe. I think I've heard that's delayed in Asia also. So yeah. Yeah, I hope it's available in a local bookstore. I also heard someone tweeted that they bought it from an international bookseller that like ships to everywhere in the world for like free shipping anywhere to the world. So it seems like there's definitely ways to get it. it just might take some research. And I was in a meetup a few days ago, yesterday. Oh man, it was yesterday. And somebody was like, about our book, somebody was like, buying it is easy, getting it is hard. And I feel like that's basically what's been happening during this pandemic. But, you know, I think if the worst that we're encountering is just shipping delays, I am grateful that that's the majority of what we're encountering. I feel like I'm such a slow worker. At least when I'm on stream. Oh. So Gilliam, when I say standard paper size, I just meant our publisher's standard paper size. Because originally they were just going to print it as 8.5 by 11. So the standard, I guess, like American paper size. And then when we hired our design agency, they recommended this paper size, which I think is 240 by 280 millimeters, I think. And the reason for it was to allow for the gutter notes that we had. And we really liked that idea, so that's why we went with that. Ooh. Great looking out, Gilliam. I did make sure to put the playlist on loop today. Thank you for the looking out. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say about. Yeah. I hope you're able to create a Rootledge account. Yeah. I guess that's the one thing one of the things I'm grateful for having gone with the publisher. That I don't have to be on customer support, because I think that I might, yeah. I've been getting some emails about the signed copies, but thankfully most people that are experiencing problems have been contacting our publisher directly, for which I'm very, very grateful. Scout. Okay. But yeah, I'm very grateful that I don't have to do customer support, because I'm already so bad at emails. All right, what colors are they supposed to be? I can't remember. Okay, let's see. Oh, I need to draw my keyboard. Oh wait, is it just a keyboard? Oops. Oh, and a touchpad. Okay. Oh, I've forgotten how much I like Procreate. Which is... Have I ever told you all about the story of... So this program that I'm drawing in is called Procreate. And The first time I told my husband that I wanted to learn Procreate, he was like, "What?" So I forgot that Procreate is actually a word that has meaning. He was like, "Excuse me?" Ooh, carrots and pizza. Welcome back in. It's been a while. No. That's another. It's a different meetup. The meetup I was mentioning was the Dutch Dataviz meetup. That was yesterday. And the one you're talking about is the D3 10-year, which was a very fun one. Interactions and social media. Which for anyone that missed it, highly recommend checking on it. Wait, when was that? On a Fret and Happy Hour podcast, when people introduce themselves as, "If you DM me with an issue, I'm blocking you, no question asked." Who said that, Gilliam? Hey, Nerdy Curious, welcome back in. Yes, today we are drawing emotes for Twitch. And so I am finally drawing my new laptop. Wait, did I say that? Did I say that? I said if you DM me with an issue, I'm blocking you, no questions asked. When did I say that? Ooh, congratulations on pushing your personal website, Iris. Oh, I've never tried to do Twitch video embed. When you're ready, please share with us your website, Iris. Ooh. Gilliam, thanks for offering help. Ooh, hello, Nearless, welcome back in. Ooh. Oh, what an interesting... Yeah, I can ask about the observable subscriptions. So you mean like the team tier, right? Yeah, it's an interesting one. Ooh. So there is a D3 10-year competition, a non-competition competition, where we're celebrating 10 years of D3 by holding a non-competition where you can create data visualizations of D3 and D3 community data using D3. So if anyone's interested, please check out the details on that. We have some very fun prize categories and prizes. Okay. I'm glad that wasn't me, Gilliam. Yes, today I'm drawing Dataviz manually. Yeah, I feel like they would for Team Observable. Okay, now I am drawing keyboards. Actually, I feel like I should make this smaller.
Very, very intense.
Scout, come here. Hello, let me trap you. Scout, oh no. All right, hold on. Oh no, Scout, don't leave, Scout. Wait. Scout, come here. Wait, no, Scout left. Aw. Y'all, oh no! Alright, I have accidentally dropped my camera in my excitement for Scout. So, Scout, Zoe. Zoe. Zoe, yes. Come here, Zoe. Hello. Hello. Wait. Zoe. Zoe. Do you see Zoe? Wait, Scout. Scout. Oh, yeah. Sorry about the swinging. Okay, I'll stop. I'll stop trying to move the camera around. I got really excited. Sorry, y'all. Alright. The camera is going back where it usually is. For better or for worse. Oh. Yeah, the front and master subscription is great. Puppy. No. The camera is not attached to her head. No. I just got excited about the puppies, and I tried to move. I tried to move my webcam with very little success. Okay. All right, I'll stop getting distracted. And I'll keep drawing my keyboard. Not sure how much I like that, but okay. Ooh, that's too big. Ooh, does anybody have Procreate app tips? Okay. I've drawn the laptop, and now let's color the laptop. So let me see what the color here was. Yes, okay. Okay, I must have colored with something, some other brush. Was it syrup? Was it shale? Let's try shale. Ooh, I don't think it's shale. Scout! Oh my god. Okay. Scout is here. Hello. Hi. This is Scout. And this is Jane. Hello. Scout. Oh, look at his tail. And the Scout's like, let me down. Look at that tail. So cute. Scout is how many months old? 7. Scout's so cute. Ooh. I wish we have a puppy cam. Ooh, chat says hi, Jane. And Scout says hello, Scout and Jane. Hello. Ooh. This is Iris's irisnx.us. Ooh, I like this chibi. Oh man, is it accurate to say that your website gives me very like Zanga, like mid-2000s Zanga vibes? Like either Zanga, yeah, mid-2000s live journal and Zanga vibes. I know, isn't Scout so cute? Um, I think they've like woken up from their naps because earlier they were quiet, but now they're playing. Okay. Oh, I need to get back to. Ooh, another thing I wanted to do today is find like a good numpad. So, actually, you know what? Let me just do it this way. Like a mechanical numpad, maybe. But the numpad that you can hook up to your OBS, so that you can switch scenes. So, wow, why is it so expensive? I also wanted to get a numpad, and then I wanted to get Sailor Mercury's keycaps. Yes. So I wanted to get just her. I wonder if I can get just the special ones. How do I get that? Base kit, alphas. Ooh, yeah. Oh, wait, no. Non-standard icon mods. Ooh. Ortho icons. I wanted to get, yeah, one of the mechanical keypads so that I can code specific OBS scenes to it. Actually, it's not a numpad that streamers use, right? What's it called? Yeah, it was Cassidy. The DSA Astrology keys was Cassidy and Sailor HG keycaps. It was cool. Ooh, thank you for sharing that. How near this? So this is the D3 10-year. So here's the parade information. So 1 month to submit your data visualization, and we'll have a parade recognition ceremony on April 16th. Here's some data sources, the rules, and then here's some fun categories, and these are some of the books that we have in mind for what you can win. And yeah, so please give it a try. It'd be really fun. Macropad, is that what it's called? Thank you. Stream Deck. Stream Deck? What's the difference between Macropad and Stream Deck? Ooh. Oh, I've seen Stream Deck. Okay, so this is too professional for me. I think I just wanted to get one of these, yeah, and then program. And then I think it'd be fun to program like one of these. What's a cute looking one? I kind of like how simple this one is, but not the red. Sorry, I know nothing about keycaps. Ooh, maybe. Ooh, this one? Ooh, does anyone have recommendations? Ooh. I like this panic. They're There's a rose gold. How expensive is this? This looks really expensive. I'm already scared. Quality switches. This looks beautiful. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, don't do this to me. Okay, you look beautiful. Yes. What's your price tag? Oh, that looks so pretty. I like the just clean white one. Oh, interesting. There's a configurator? Okay. At no point did it share a price tag. Or did I miss it somewhere? Where is it? Store. Holy. Holy. Where? I can't find. Okay. What? Macro pad? How do I buy this? Fully okay. Okay. Did I miss the buy button somewhere? Am I missing something? Ooh. Ooh, we are Foals. Foals? Foals? Welcome in. I see. MacroPad Stream Deck has the same purpose. Depends on how you configure it. MacroPad is more customizable. Ooh, I like that. There's a raspberry version if you like. You can also choose the size. By Pimoroni? 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 Ooh. Ah, wait, but then what would I do for the casing? So this is the board only. So this is a keypad. But then I would have to get the casing separately, right? Or is the appeal of this the lack of casing? 3x4 board source one. I have an MX panic key. Panic key that replaces my escape key. I like that. Some people making it custom by request. Ah. A 3x4 board source. Ooh, hello Maxine. Fell into this abyss recently when I was looking for a new keyboard. Didn't know this whole world of programmable and customizable keyboards existed. So cool, yeah. I feel like it's such an expensive hobby. You can make the acrylic case. Try search 3x4 board source, okay? 3x4 board source. Ooh. Wait, so this means that you buy the board. Hold on. I went through it. Oh, so you buy each of the components and then you put it together by yourself. I see. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Alright, I feel like this is too much choice. I'm getting overwhelmed. No. That is so expensive. Whoa. Oh, okay, so it's only by pre-order. Wow, that is expensive. Actually, this looks kind of fun. I feel like, ooh, this looks. Oh no. Oh no, it's out of stock. No, I wanted the white. So I would get. So this has the PCBs. Is that what's happening? And then it has the. So these are also the switches. I see. Oh, I need to get like one of those. Ooh. I actually don't know what the difference between MX switch and any other switches. Smoke tactile. I am really sad that I can't get the white. So I haven't. The time limit has passed. Oh, or you can build it from someone who can build, or you can order from someone who can build it for you. Interesting. Ramen Works is expensive but high quality. The time limit has passed. Oh, so I wanted to get one of these. So that right now, for OBS, what I have to do is, like I have some really intense, like not intense, but like comment. Whoa. One of the puppies slipped on the wood. So right now I have like a series of commands. Actually, since I've switched to this laptop, I haven't even reconfigured my like key commands. So essentially, whenever I want to like do something with OBS, like whether it's switching scenes or muting or unmuting or anything, I currently have a series of commands that I have to press at the same time. And so if I can just get one of these and configure this, then I can just like press a button and it will change the scene, or it will, play some sort of effect or something. So that's why I've been wanting to look into one of these. Yeah, the blue one is hiragana. I just noticed that. Ooh, Michael, welcome back in. Hello, happy weekend. Another good one underway. Does your laptop have a touch bar? Oh, yes, I do. Mine does have a touch bar, yes. Can you do something with OBS with the touch bar? Oh, like is the thing that like I can actually I've for some reason been having trouble like, oh, is it that I can customize the touch bar? I've actually been having a lot of trouble getting OBS to recognize keystrokes when I don't have OBS as the front app. So I don't know if anybody else experiences that, but I have to always toggle over to OBS if I want to use the keyboard shortcuts. And right now, I'm not quite sure why, but I do have the hotkeys set in my OBS settings, but for some reason it just doesn't register them at all. So I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah. Oh wait, now it registers them. Ah. Okay. Well, I take that back. Oh yeah. Nerdy Curious, I've heard about that. Or I've heard about turning your phone or your iPad into Stream Deck. I just think it would be really fun to just like get one of these. I think it'd be really pretty. That's that's why I want to do it. Ooh, wait, what's the difference between? Hold on. When I clicked configure, it gives me the same as the kit options. So I'm a slight bit confused. Okay, wait. Let's go back to my laptop. Oh, whoa! I missed Hi Pizza Wizard. That is a great handle. Welcome in, Hi Pizza Wizard. Welcome into the chat. Great Nick. Ooh, yeah. Great looking out, nerdy curious. For those of you that want a free alternative. Yes, Gilliam. That's exactly what happened. All right. Oh, okay. So I was trying to color this in when I got distracted. Shale brush. Actually, probably just this one. Yeah. Is that what I used to color? Yeah, it looks like that's what I used. Hey, Scout. Ooh, so yesterday, so I've been working on my final proposal for Mozilla, which is what I've been streaming on Fridays, the last few Fridays, and I started on my final proposal last Friday, and I've actually been for the like past week, I have been really struggling with it, just because. So actually, and I identified the reason why I was struggling with it. I think Wednesday night I finally realized that the reason why I was really struggling with that final proposal was because it's a little bit different from how I usually work, because usually with my client projects what I do is we sign to do, like, from the very beginning we sign to do a whole project together. So that usually includes some sort of a data set or API, and then I propose a design and we work together and iterate on the design until we finalize on a on a design that we like, and then I build it out. So we work on the whole process together, and it was a little bit different this time around with Mozilla because they were really cool actually, because they were like, we want your help actually first looking at the data. So looking at the data that they have and help them ideate and like not ideate, but brainstorm on the data set that they have, and then propose some potential visualizations. And so because of that, I spent and then they paid me to just explore the data. Usually I don't have as much time to do the data exploration, and so it all gets lumped together, and it's a little bit kind of hectic at the beginning when I'm exploring the data and trying to come up with a design. But they broke it out into two phases where they were like, we'll pay you to do the data exploration, and then we'll have a second phase where we actually implement it together. So that was really cool. But I think because of the fact that it was kind of separated out, I didn't realize that um, I I think I put too much pressure on myself to, in the proposal, for every design sketch that I was submitting, I think I put a lot of pressure on myself to, where it was to the point that I felt like I was experiencing like it like was a mental block, because for every single design sketch, I'm like, this must be the best design option that I present them. Like, this must be the ultimate design. And it was like also a weird pride sort of thing. Until I think Wednesday night, I realized that no, like that's really not necessary. Like, the whole point of this first phase was for us to explore the data and come up with some ideas, and then in the second phase we're supposed to do the design and the implementation. So on Wednesday night I finally realized, like, what I needed to do was present them with some starting points, like starting point designs, design ideas. And then if we do end up signing for a second phase, signing the contract for a second phase, then that's when I can, work with them and iterate and land on the best, potentially the best design. And I would, and the whole point is that we would work together to get to that point. And so I think once I got that, like once I realized that, it was like I felt like I got unblocked. And so last night I was able to kind of like finish all of my sketches for Mozilla, design sketches. And so I'm just really happy that I now only really have to kind of like put some words and context around each of the sketches to explain like where I'm coming from. And then after that, I think I'll be done with Mozilla for the first phase, as in like I'll be finished with my proposal, and then if they decide to go with a second phase, that'd be awesome. And if not, then I had a really fun time working on it. But I hope they do. I think it'd be really great to be able to work with them on actually implementing the product. So, hey, what a cute laptop. Yeah, fingers crossed that it seems like they quite like the work that I've been doing and the ideas that I've already kind of been sharing. So fingers crossed that that we'll work together on the second phase. But yeah, so I guess all I'm trying to say is that I feel much lighter today, because I think I was unknowingly pretty stressed about the fact that like I felt like I wasn't putting together a good final proposal. And yesterday I finally kind of like, I feel like I finally figured it out towards the end of last night. And so I think I can hopefully, if not today, then hopefully over the weekend, I can kind of finish up the rest of the proposal and turn it in. And then because I actually was supposed to finish the proposal by last Friday, so I'm like a week behind. So I'm glad that I didn't drag it on for any longer than that. But yeah, that was a slight life update. Ooh, I see. Ooh, hi Pizza Wizard. Man, I really like your handle. Oh, welcome in the raid by Rocks. Oh, Carrots and Pizza, can you recommend one of the data wrangling libraries? Actually, I'm very guilty for not using any of those data wrangling libraries. Not because I don't like them, but because I just haven't had the chance to try them out. I think for data wrangling, I just use a mix of Lodash and D3, and I think that's kind of inefficient, but I have been meaning to try. I think it is TinyJS. I've been wanting to try TinyJS. That's the one that's based on R, right? From Peter Bashai. Yeah, I've been wanting to try that one out, and I've also heard good things about Arcaro. But yeah, I definitely need to get better at my tool set for data wrangling. Oh, more contrast. You are right. Actually, I think that for the body of the computer, I think I don't want too much contrast because then I think it would be kind of distracting. I think maybe contrast would be good with the wheels and the expressions and the zoom. I cannot believe that this one emote took pretty much the entire stream. Sorry for how long this has taken. Yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, I think I am. I think I did try. So I think one of the most popular ideas from that stream for the Mozilla project was I keep staring out up because there's like a really beautiful tall tree that I'm staring at as I'm thinking. Also because it's, I think it's gets me my face closest to the mic. I've been having a little bit of hard time adjusting to this mic on my current desk because this is not my usual desk and it's a little bit narrower than my usual desk. So like I've been having a hard time adjusting this mic position. Anyways, so I think one of the most popular requests from that particular stream was to visualize how many tabs do I open or do we open wanting to read it but never get to it and ultimately close it. I tried to get some data for that, and the conclusion was that actually that particular one needs longer term data. So the data I had was only for like a week, and I feel like that particular one needs like at least a month to a quarter to have good ones. I think that we also wrote down some of the suggestions about, the one you suggested, Gilliam, about how often do we click away or like close out of a tab because that window isn't loading fast enough or that website isn't loading fast enough. I think that one was also a very interesting one. We wrote that one down, but then we don't have the instrumentation for it yet. Like as in we don't yet get the data for it, and so Hamilton needs to do some work to get that data, and he just hasn't had the time yet. So I think that's one of the potential ideas, but it's not one of the ones that's being proposed just because we don't have the data for it yet. Although, good reminder, because we should actually put it on like potential if we yes, that's what I need to do. I need to write down ones that like if it's blocked on data instrumentation. Yeah, so thank you all for all the help. Chat was of great help that day. Okay, now let's go and draw our wheels. And I'll probably end the stream soon because I want to go to the bathroom and it is almost time for us to end our stream. So what color wheels should I have? I just had this thought that we should have hot pink wheels. I am full of bad ideas. Or great ideas. You know what? It's happening. Not yet hot pink, but we'll work towards making it hot pink. I've actually, you know what I just realized? I've never actually drawn wheels. Is that a true statement? Have I never drawn wheels? I'm trying to figure out like what would be the correct perspective for a wheel right now. Like this? Ooh, yeah. Like that? No, that looks a little bit off. I'm real struggling with this wheel. All right.
She's stuck. No, she's stuck. Yeah, Scout was
Zoom, zoom. All right, let's work on the face first then. What does that face look like? All right, for contrast, let's do pure black. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
He's so cute. He's always putting like 10% effort.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Teehee. Yes. Hee hee. All right, let's review. All right, I've drawn the face too quickly. I still don't know how to do the wheels. Okay. Ooh, it's too big. That's too small. Is this even the right perspective? Questionable. I don't think so. Maybe I shouldn't be trying to like do so much detail.
That was Zoe versus David.
Okay, I need a reference photo.
I'm good at this.
Wow, that is so bad. If there's any artists in the chat, please send help. Ooh, Abel, welcome back in. Yes, thank you so much for popping in and saying hi. All right, good enough. Good enough. Ooh. Iris making panels for their Twitch. Yeah, I need to update my panels too, actually. Make full panels rather than transparent. Oh, what do you mean? Side note, I know you use an iPad for sketching and stuff, but I was thinking of getting one for schoolwork, but I'm not sure whether to take the dive. Thoughts? To be honest, so I have the iPad Pro from 2019, I think, and I use it primarily for sketching and taking notes. And so sketching for my client projects and taking notes. So other than that, I use my laptop for everything. Sometimes I'll like video call and watch Netflix on here, but I think the thing about tablets is that it's like in this weird space where like developers and I mean like app developers will like or any really service will put a lot of resources into developing for web and also developing for phones, but oftentimes I feel like it really overlooks iPads. So I feel like the iPad experience is, other than these note-taking apps and sketching apps, is really well developed for the iPad, because I feel like the iPad is really good for those kind of tasks. But other than that, like for example, like I find like Google Docs to be a little bit frustrating, and Gmail to be a little bit frustrating on iPad. I just don't think it has the best support. It's kind of like they're kind of slow. So I do most of my work on my laptop still. And especially as a developer, like I need to use my laptop anyways to code. So I don't feel like I really it really is. I got it for note taking and sketching purposes. And I got them so that all of my sketches could be backed up onto the cloud. Because living in San Francisco, I've gotten my backpack and laptop and notebooks stolen twice. And it is the most heartbreaking thing to, I feel like, get my notebooks stolen, because that's like ideas and sketches that I'll never get back. And so now, and that's why I now have an iPad, so that I can have everything kind of backed up to the cloud. And so even if I don't, like, even if, I hope this doesn't ever, please don't ever steal this, but even if I like lose it for some reason, at least I don't lose the notes I took, the sketches I did, the ideas I had. So that's the primary reason why I use an iPad. Yeah, that's the thing. Like, iPads are really expensive also for what it is. And I think if you don't need a laptop, like, the reason why I need a laptop is because I code. And I think the reason why a lot of people need laptops is like if they need to run something that's a little bit more computationally expensive. But if you don't need that and you're a student that's, just trying to take notes, trying to answer emails, trying to write like documents or papers, then perhaps. But even then, I feel like as a student, there might be programs that you need that just isn't the most optimal on a tablet. So I guess that's the only thing to look out for, is like if there are things that you need, like if there are programs or apps that you need, just make sure like it runs okay on the tablet. Unless you're saying that you're trying to have this in conjunction with your laptop, then I guess you don't need to worry too much. But it is definitely very expensive for just note taking and sketching. um, yay, nerdy curious. Oh, I see, Abel, with especially with Zoom classes. That makes sense. Yeah. I'm just gonna this is what that's what the wheels are gonna look like. Yeah, that's just what it's gonna look like. Ooh, I should at least have hot pink rims. Yeah. Oh man, bad ideas. But I love it. I'm hoping that the appeal of I'm really hoping that the appeal of this emote is that it's drawn by a complete amateur like me. I hope that gives it some charm. Because otherwise I don't think it's a good emote. Oh. Oh, I was wondering why I was having such a weird time with it. I was using the wrong brush. Okay, let's try with the right brush this time. I mean, let's be real. I was having a hard time because I don't think I should blame the brush for that. Vroom vroom. Dang it, that's the wrong color. Oh well. Alright, let's try this. That definitely does not look convincing. That 100% does not look convincing. But maybe that's okay because it's so low resolution anyways. Like, maybe it doesn't need to be that convincing. Yeah, sure. I feel like I'm like giving up a little bit. Oh. Okay, and then let's have dry ink. Let's have you. Ooh, Gilliam said, here's a transcribing test of your monologue. Ooh, with an OBS plugin. I'm in and ah. Oh, this is great. No worries. That wasn't distracting. It was a very interesting question. Have a tablet already that I really like and use for most things. I see. Yeah. Takes literally 2 minutes to install, but OBS needs to be closed. Okay, so I will probably do the closed captioning offline then. Thank you so much for looking into it, Gilliam. Would you mind passing along the website? Or like, is it just I just need to Google search for OBS plugin? I should wrap up. Is this convincing as a car? Questionable. But kind of cute. I kind of like it. Actually, I kind of like this. I definitely need to give it some contrast. So, So I probably need to, you know what? I think, let's do this. Let's give it a slight bit of an outline. A white outline, yeah. And then I will end soon. How many times have I already said that? Quite a few times. We're gonna go rent our skis for this weekend. So I think my friends might be waiting on me. So I should really end very soon. Oh, I keep seeing tutorials on TikTok of like how to do this outline phase faster, but I kind of like the effect I'm getting just by drawing, so I guess I'm gonna do it the slow manual way. Alright. Actually, I kind of like this a lot. It just looks like it has rollerblades. I'm kind of a fan. Actually, maybe I should give it a bottom for the wheels. Okay. It just looks like it has rollerblades. This is fine. I am a fan. And now let's draw some wind behind it. Ooh, thank you for sharing, Gilliam. Very nice installation guides. Okay. Yeah. We talked about Otter AI for captioning too on Wednesday. But I think if there's already an OBS plugin, that'd be great. I see. So for OBS, so for the OBS plugin, it's sent to the API by Google. I wonder if that makes Otter AI better, if Otter AI process on device so that it doesn't get sent to Google. I don't know. Is the laptop angry? No, it's just working hard. The laptop is working hard. It is zooming fast. All right, final touch. Let's write vroom in different colored letters. Ooh, we've just restarted the playlist.
Unsure of the social dynamics. She got food, but she's
All right. Oh, the Otter AI uses remote API as well. Okay. So, okay. So it's basically the same between them. Hmm.
Do you want a massage? Do you want a massage?
No.
Blood circulation helps you.
Okay.
You can double tap that.
Free pricing tier for Otter AI. Sorry. Is 60 hours per month, max 40 minutes per recording. Okay, that is much less than the 2.5 hours that I go for. Oh no, Michael. Sorry, on mobile and battery died. Sounds like OBS and Otter are basically equivalent. Yeah, I wonder if the OBS has any restrictions. It kind of just sounds like it sounds kind of like a free plugin. All right, I'm almost done. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay. All right, I think everybody is finishing up work, so I really need to finish up. Okay, there we go. Man, you can't even really see the vroom. That's okay. I really like the rainbow. Okay, so I am finishing up. Okay, so recap for today. I drew this. That was all. And then we had a few brief moments where Scout came in and it was really cute. I actually don't know how much of background noise everyone can hear. So if my mic is extremely sensitive and it's like picking up all background noise, I'm really sorry about that. But hopefully it's not too distracting. Nerdy Curious, that makes me so happy. This computer is a mood. wait, hold on. They're clearly gearing for the enterprise, so OBS is probably not in their radar at all. I see, that makes sense. They're curious. Mood, an entire mood. Yes. Vroom vroom. I'll keep both. I'll keep both the crying one and the vroom one. Just so we have both.
So what you want is a thin.
And keypad hunting. You're right, Helen knew this. We did go for keypad hunting. Thank you so much, Michael. Yay! Thank you, Sariki. All right, so I will submit this right after the stream, and then hopefully by Wednesday it is approved. Ooh, what a fun animation. Okay. All right, seriously. I am gonna go because it's 4:30 on a Friday, and I think everybody's getting off work. So, let's end the stream. Ooh, Gomo Vika, welcome back in. I feel like you've been here before. Thank you so much. Yes, drinks actually. Why am I not drinking already? I feel like starting from 1 to 2 p.m. is on a Friday is like ideal for drinking. Yeah, thank you so much everyone for joining. I hope you all have a great weekend. I like actually this is amazing. Wait, hold on. Let me just expand this. Here. Yes. All right. This is what we're ending with. Oh my God, this is amazing. All right. This is where we're ending the stream. Thanks so much, everyone that joined. Thanks for the chats. I will see you all on Wednesday, 2 p.m. Oops. Went too fast there. Wednesday, 2 p.m. next week. And we'll be back working on... on Wednesday, we'll be working on our voting problems visualization, and this time we'll be turning it into a story, a static story for Instagram. So hopefully it will be a good time. And hopefully by then we have the Vroom Vroom laptop emote. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend. Bye.